And good morning po. I'm Rizal De Reyes, Sun Life, licensed Sun Life advisor and unit manager. And I'm also a licensed sa mutual fund and sa UITF. Yan. So, share ko lang po yung slides real quick. Yan. And yan. Mabilis lang po to para magka-idea ka kung ano talaga yung mga options mo. Kasi po, ang mga life insurance, pare-pareho lang naman po yung mga products namin. So, ano-ano yung mga yon? VUL, yun po yung insurance with investment. Um, Number two, term insurance. Yan po yung pure insurance. Wala po siyang investment component and savings component. And yung pangatlo, whole life insurance. Ito po ay lifetime ka na insured. Meron tong regular pay. Pag sinabing regular pay, tuloy-tuloy lang yung paghuhulog. Meron din namang tinatawag na limited pay. Ibig sabihin, 10 years to pay, lifetime ka na covered. 15 years to pay, lifetime ka na covered. So, sige, pakita ko lang po yung difference. So, insurance comes in different types depending on the goal of the client. Again, the VUL is universal, variable universal life, term insurance, and traditional whole life. Now, pagdating sa coverage, VUL po can cover you sa life from age 88 up to age 100. So may mga plan tayo na covered ka until age 88, meron naman until age 100. Sa term insurance, normally po, covered ka lang nito until age 70. Yan. And renewable po siya. So, nag-aano siya, no? Nagre-renew tapos every 5 years and then tumataas po yung premium. Okay? And habang covered ka, binabayaran mo siya. So, tuloy-tuloy lang din ang hulog. So, and yung whole life naman po, from the word whole life, lifetime ka na insured. So again, sa coverage, it can go from 88 to 100. Dito naman, limited lang po yung coverage mo, pwedeng until age ano lang, 60 or until 70. Eto naman, lifetime ka na insured. Pagdating sa premiums, flexible po si VUL. Ibig sabihin, may option kang mag-top up. Ibig sabihin, since may investment component po ito, inaalaw niya na maghulog ka ng sobra, lahat ng sobra sa investment na pupunta. So kung may goal ka ng retirement, college funding, business funding, at gusto mo mas focus sa investment, yung VUL mo, may option ka na naghuhulog ng sobra. Okay? Para nai-invest. Ito naman, si term insurance, wala po siyang investment or savings component. That's why pinakamura po ito. Kasi pure ang binabayaran mo lang dito yung insurance charge. Okay? However, every time na i-renew mo siya, tumataas na po siya kasi binibase na siya sa age mo at that time. So, every 5 years, yung mga term ni Sun Life, every 5 years po, renewable. Up to you if you will continue or discontinue na. Pero pag diniscontinue mo, wala ka na pong marireceive. Okay? Kasi nga po, ang binayaran mo lang is pure insurance charge, kaya wala ka namang walang babalik na sa'yo unless nagamit yung insurance. Ayan, nagkasakit, critical illness, or nawala si client. Sa whole life naman, level lang po yung premium. Kung magkano yung dineclare na premium mo, hindi na po yung tataas kahit tumatanda ka hanggang matapos mo na siya bayaran. So, bawal ka rin maghulog ng sobra kasi wala naman siyang investment component. So, kung magkano lang po talaga yung premium, yun lang po yung susundin nating bayaran. Okay, so again, VUL has investment. If you are looking for an instrument na covered ka at the same time na take advantage mo din yung mga global investment, ayan, na almost lahat ng mga VUL ni Sun Life may exposure na po sa Nasdaq 100, ayan, yung mga tech companies abroad, ayan, even yung mga single pay natin. Sa term insurance, wala po itong investment. Sa whole life, wala pong investment dahil guarantee po, may guaranteed cash value ito, hindi affected ng stock market. May mga endowment, guaranteed payout, depende sa plan. At yun po, no? So wala siyang investment. So regardless ups and down ng market, the whole life is not affected. Okay? Sa death benefit naman, kung magkano yung face amount, plus the fund value. Yun po yung maganda, no? Halimbawa, ang death benefit mo is 1 million. After 20 years, yung investment mo lumago, naging 1 million na din. If nawala si client, 2 million yung mapupunta sa family. Ina-add po ni Sun Life. Okay? Eto naman, sum assured only. Kung ang face amount mo is 1 million, 1 million lang po. Wala nang labis, walang kulang. Eto naman, sum assured plus dividend. Since nag-earn din kasi po, normally yung mga whole life po ni Sun Life ay tinatawag na participating. When you say participating, pag natapos mo na siyang bayaran or pwedeng kahit hindi pa, depende sa plan, um, every time na may income si Sun Life on a yearly basis, meron kang share doon. Ayan. So, hindi yon guarantee, but you can be entitled for a yearly dividend. Okay? Living benefit naman, ang maganda sa VUL, pagka kailangan mo ng cash in the future, you can withdraw your fund because pera mo talaga siya. Okay? Eto, wala kang mawi-withdraw. Sabi nga nila, ang term insurance, habang buhay, hintay. Pag namatay, dun bigay. Ayan. Pag nagkasakit, dun bigay. And dito naman, sa whole life, pwede kang mag-loan kasi the guaranteed cash value can be loaned pag kailangan mo ng lump sum. And also, pag nag-mature na yung account mo, merong total surrender value. Meron ding dividends na pwede mong ma-enjoy. So, yun lamang po, ano, yung para alam mo. Ang VUL, ang investment dito, hindi guarantee kasi nga naka-base sa stock market. Pero, maganda naman ang mga global funds because normally, ang mga AI tech funds, they will stay pa na talagang maganda po yung market nila dahil maraming nag-a-adapt na ng AI. So, kung kukuha ka ng VUL, so I suggest sa mga global fund mo na ilagay. I'm not saying na guarantee yun, pero mas maganda yung kung gusto mo yung um, mas may potential yung ng growth yung pera na ilalagay mo, okay, VUL po. Pero kung ayaw mo ng ups and downs, takot ka, gusto mo something that is guarantee, dito po tayo sa whole life. Okay? So, yun lang naman yung pagkakaiba nila. So, a combination of all would be good kung kaya mo. Like ako, I have VULs, I have term insurance, at may whole life ako. So, kung kaya ng budget, isa-isahin natin. Pagsabay-sabayin. Ayan. Pero kung budgeted ka, medyo yung income mo pero hindi pa ganun ka-stable, term insurance is good. Kasi covered ka na agad, nagbabayad ka pa lang ng mura. And then, pag mas confident ka na sa income mo, you can add naman either VUL or whole life. Okay? So, kung gusto mo na mas comprehensive na health, nasa whole life po yun. May tinatawag kaming Sunfit and Well. Kung gusto mo naman na focus sa, yun nga po, ano, sa mga global investment, dito po yun. Kasi wala pong global investment sa term, wala din sa whole life. Dahil hindi po ito nakalink sa investment. Alright, so yun lang naman. But all of them provides the same thing. Life insurance coverage. In case may mangyari sa atin, may lump sum po yung family natin. Okay, yun po yung common denominator nila lahat. It is to protect you as a breadwinner, as someone who produces income to your family, because if something happens to you, something will happen to your family. 'Di ba? May mangyayari sa inyo, may mangyayari sa kanila. It will affect them so much financially and emotionally. So, we want to make sure that even in our absence, even if we get sick, our dreams for our family will continue because covered tayo ng life insurance. Ayan. So, let me know if you have any question. Thank you.